basis, or some of the images portrayed had no scientific evidence to prove that some of those diseases portrayed by those images are caused by especially the nicotine-only products. And as a society, what we are trying to say is that we must continue preaching the message of harm reduction. And as a country, we must review our Tobacco Control Act to reflect harm reduction strategies, simply because Kenya is a member of WHO's FCTC, which defines tobacco control as a range of supply, demand, and harm reduction strategies. And the biggest question that the society has been asking is, why was that definition omitted in our Tobacco Control Act?
I think when we look at the health warning messages, what has to be at the heart of it is to educate consumers of the product of the potential risks associated with the consumption of the product. But the reality, whether we like it or not, there is a continuum of the risk, where on one end you have more risky products like combustible cigarettes, and on the other end of the spectrum, you have products like nicotine pouches, heated tobacco products, and vaping products that have been proven to be scientifically 90% reduced risk.
Very nice. And we have also been able to engage with scientists who came, who give us some good insights. And we have also been able to tell them our commitment as government to ensure that we do not interfere with trade, but nonetheless to ensure that we protect Wanjiko.
The promise is that we'll consider every feedback we have received. We have to make a report. Hata na nikienda pale nitasema Dennis alisema